Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic: how to naturally manage blood sugar levels using the power of herbs. Managing blood sugar isn't just about avoiding sugary drinks and sweets, it's about making smart choices that support your overall well-being. If you're looking to manage your blood sugar levels naturally, you won't want to miss this. We'll be exploring 5 surprising herbs that can help you take control of your health. Stick around. Your body will thank you. First up, we're talking about cinnamon. Cinnamon has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. Studies show it can improve your body's sensitivity to insulin, which is key for keeping blood sugar levels in check. Think of insulin as a key that unlocks the doors to your cells, letting glucose in to be used for energy. Cinnamon helps that key work better. You can easily incorporate cinnamon into your diet. Sprinkle some on your oatmeal, add it to smoothies, or use it to spice up savory dishes. A little goes a long way. Next on our list is fenugreek, an herb with a slightly bitter taste but powerful health benefits. These tiny seeds are packed with soluble fiber, which acts like a sponge in your digestive system. With soluble fiber from fenugreek, the absorption process of glucose slows down, leading to fewer blood sugar spikes and crashes. You can find fenugreek in seed form as a ground spice, or even in supplement capsules. Try adding a teaspoon of ground fenugreek to your soups, stews, or even your morning yogurt. It's a simple addition with big benefits. Let's move on to ginger, another culinary superstar with a knack for taming blood sugar. Ginger has been shown to improve fasting blood sugar levels and reduce HbA1c levels, which measures your average blood sugar control over the past 2 to 3 months. So not only can ginger help with immediate blood sugar spikes, but it can also contribute to better long-term blood sugar management. Plus, ginger is incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it in tea, add it to stir fries, or even grate some fresh ginger into your smoothies. Spice up your life with ginger. Now let's talk about turmeric, the golden child of the spice world. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory, which is fantastic news for your overall health. Chronic inflammation can wreak havoc on your body, including causing blood sugar imbalances. By reducing inflammation, curcumin helps create a more balanced internal environment, allowing your body to regulate blood sugar levels more effectively. Studies have shown that curcumin can directly impact blood sugar levels, helping to reduce them and improve insulin sensitivity. Add turmeric to your curries, soups, and even lattes for a health boost. Last but not least, we have aloe vera, a plant known for its soothing properties and potential for managing blood sugar. Studies have shown that aloe vera can improve blood glucose levels in people with and without diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity. You can find aloe vera juice at most health food stores, or purchase aloe vera gel specifically designed for internal consumption. Just be sure to follow the dosage instructions carefully. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Remember, these herbs are powerful allies on your journey to better blood sugar management, but they're not a substitute for proper medical advice. If you have any concerns about your blood sugar levels or any underlying health conditions, please consult with your doctor before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle. Let us know in the comments if you've tried any of these herbs and how they worked for you. Until next time, stay healthy and keep those blood sugar levels in check.